How's it going, guys? My name is Chris. This is FishNFX Custom Rods channel, and right now I'm going to show you how to do cinematic drone footage with our drone pilot and owner of FishNFX, Doug Roberts. Let's talk to him, and he's going to go over how exactly he gets these awesome cinematic shots. Let's get into the video.
How you guys doing? I'm going to do a quick hand launch here. I could take off from the ground, but between the dust and gravel, I always feel safer just kind of doing the hand launch. So first things first, turn on your controller before you turn on your drone. Make sure that you have your GPS active and that it can find it so that you have a good home point. Make sure it's all set when you launch. Go ahead and take off. You just want to let it hover for a second. Make sure that you get some quick test through with the controls. Make sure they're all working appropriately. And then after you let it hover for like 15 seconds to make sure that there's no glitches with the drone, always keep it in sight so that you can see where you are and make sure that everything's clear. And always check before you fly. Before you fly, it's a great app to check out and kitty hawk if you need authorization. That way your airspace is clear. Thank you. Have a good one.
So there you go. You heard it right from Doug Roberts himself. Here is some of the great footage that he gets all over Pennsylvania, specifically Luzerne County as of right now. But next month we're going to be down Texas. After that we're going to be in Florida. So I can't even imagine some of the footage that we're going to be able to get. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment below if you'd like to see some more drone footage, if you'd like to see some more fishing stuff, or would you like to see a mixture of the both. So make sure you comment below, let us know. But to end the rest of this video, here is all the cinematic footage that we got today out on our trip. Hope you guys have a good one.